Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is based on the deduction of section 80IA. Whenever the revenue gives some deductions or exemptions, then these deductions and exemptions are given under a series of conditions to the assessee, and the assessee really walks on a very thin rope to claim these deductions, and the revenue authorities try to find every way to deny these deductions by finding one or the another technicality in claiming the deduction on the part of the assessee. This case is the perfect example of the mentality of the revenue in denying the various deductions and exemptions for one or the other reason. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Verizon Communications India Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 466 ITR at page number 707, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court on 16th November 2023. Section 80IA deduction is given to the undertakings which are in the business of infrastructure development and which have started their operations between the period 1st April 1995 to 31st March 2005. And the purpose of section 80IA deduction is to promote the capital intensive investments in India. In the present case, the assessee was providing services under an internet service provider license scheme from assessment year 2002-2003, and the assessee was claiming the deduction under section 80IA also. The matter in the present case is related to the assessment year 11-12. During the assessment year 11-12, the learned assessing officer noticed that the assessee has obtained in 2008 the international long distance license and national long distance license to provide the various new services to the existing customer base by doing this expansion. The assessing officer was of the view that this expansion has been done since after 31st March 2005, so the assessee should not be allowed the deduction under section 80IA, because the main condition of giving the deduction under section 80IA is that the investment or the undertaking should be established before 31st March 2005. So, since the assessee has only expanded its business by adding a new customer base or by adding a niche to its customer base, the assessing officer denied this exemption. The assessee moved to the CIT appeal. The CIT appeal also denied the deduction under section 80IA. The matter came before the tribunal, and the tribunal was of the considered view that in the present case no separate undertaking was established, and at the same time the revenue was not able to establish that there was any reconstitution of the existing business, so the assessee is well within the realm of claiming the deduction under section 80IA. The revenue moved to the High Court, and the High Court also said that in the present case, since no new undertaking has come into existence after 31st March 2005, and since the assessee has only expanded its business by adding it a niche consumer base by acquiring international long distance licenses and national long distance licenses, so in any case it cannot be said that there is any reconstitution of business of the assessee or any new undertaking has been established by the assessee. So the assessee is well within the four corners of section 80IA deduction. So the High Court upheld the order of the tribunal in allowing the deduction under section 80IA to the assessee. At the end of this video, Once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Verizon Communications India Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 466 ITR at page number 707, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court on 16th November 2023. Thank you, friends.